Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unpacking. Yeah, not an unboxing but an unpacking. Cable clips. Yeah, see that? There you go, close up. The reason I bought these is because I'm trying to tidy up some of my cables. So we'll do the unpacking first, not the unboxing. And then I'll show you where they're going to go, hopefully anyway. So with that I'll just move the camera down so you can see what's going on. Let's get on with it. Easy to undo the packaging, which is nice. Oh, one popped out. What have you got in there? Oh, some extra stickies. That's good. See that? Some spare ones, which is handy. Just showing you how to fit them basically. You see that? Nothing on the other side. Multi-purpose, that's what it says. Right, have a look. So, oh, that one does 3. See that? 3 cables, and then you got a single one. We've got 3, 6, 9. So you got 9. So get them all out. There you go. Turn them over. So you've got 3 that can do 3 cables. You got should have 3 that does 2. No, they do 2. And you got there you go. There's 3. So you've got 3, 3, and 3. So 3 2s, 3 3s, and 3 1s. So I'll be using one of these, and I'm going to move the camera again to show you where it's going. Which would be here. What I want to do is drop this down the back like so. So that's out of the way. Have a good length on the cables, so sort of like that, and then run them through there. So we'll do that now, shall we? While you're watching. Yeah, you can see that all right. I want to see how easy it is to do. So push them in. Right, I feel a bit slack. Well, they are a bit slack actually, so they might drop back, so I might have to put a bit of tape on that to hold that up, otherwise it'll pull it down. Easy to go in anyway. I mean, they're not going to come out because they lit that, see? But it would have been nice if they was a bit tighter. So basically what I'm going to do is run that like that, stick it down there, and tuck that away out of the way. So make sure it's alright. I think that'll go there now actually. Get that off. Yeah. That's it, move that out of the way. And we want it about there. Stick it down, make sure it's nice and tight. And there you go. Look, see what I mean about, because that unit's quite heavy, but at least it works. So I need to, like I say, I put something on there to hold it up because there's quite a bit of weight there to hold that up. So I'll stick it to the side of the desk, a bit out of view, and yeah, I think they look alright. There are bigger gaps on the little ones, so that takes a bigger cable, which is handy. And they must be like a middle size. No, I don't know. Yeah, and the 3 ones take smaller ones. Yeah, easy enough. I'll move the camera back. There we go. So you've got my ugly mutt in there. Anyway, so that's my unpacking of Avantree, the name of the company that's selling them. Cable clips, multi-purpose cable management. So, yeah, let me know what you think. I think they look alright, and once I sort that device out so it's stuck to the side out of the way, I'll be using it all the time, I reckon. And plus, I've got all these spare ones. Got another 8 there. Plus, you get the extra stickies, which is handy because you never know when you're going to move the things about again. And if they lose their stickiness, I've got spare ones. Right, so if you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And please try and subscribe. Thank you for watching.